Hi there folks, Steve from PLEGA Healthcare here at the home shows today. We're promoting our dual set of adjustable beds, our most popular set of beds. We call it the Marriage Saver here at PLEGA. It's designed for a couple who likes to get into bed and sit up, as you can see, raising the head up and down for reading or watching telly or for any health concern. One of the other main features is the way that you can raise the feet up and down, take pressure off the hips, the lower back. Great for circulation. As you can see, you can bring them right up. The whole idea is that you don't disturb your partner over there. They're doing their own thing and you're able to get comfortable individually. We make two main types of mattresses here at PLEGA, the natural 100% latex and the pocket inner spring, which is a unique feature to PLEGA. Beautifully quilted and low allergenic quilting. They're a double-sided mattress so that they can be reversed for distribution of wear. Very comfortable, very healthy way to sleep. Over the last 35 years here at PLEGA, we've manufactured over 120,000 adjustable beds. They're built to last. We build them with a very strong steel frame with lockable casters, rated to 300 kilos. As you can see, it'll drop into any bed surround so you can keep the look of your bedroom how you like it. We do all the home shows around Australia. We'd love you to come down and try them. We also have showrooms in every capital city. Come down and see us at PLEGA Healthcare for a wonderful try of our adjustable beds. See you next time.